Join me as I dive into my top secrets for success and see if I can transform my motivation level in just one day. Having the right mindset and strategies can make all the difference in achieving our goals. That's why I want to share with you my favorite success secrets that have helped me stay motivated and focused. And as always, please remember to like, comment and share. Thanks. Many people struggle to stay motivated due to lack of clarity on what they want to achieve, while others get distracted by social media or procrastination. Some individuals may feel overwhelmed by the amount of work required to reach their goals, leading to burnout and decreased motivation. Fear of failure is also a common obstacle that holds people back from taking action and pursuing their dreams. Additionally, comparing ourselves to others can be a major demotivator, as it can make us feel like we're not good enough or that we'll never be able to achieve what others have. When it comes to overcoming these obstacles, having a clear plan and breaking down big goals into smaller tasks can be really helpful. Setting realistic deadlines and tracking progress can also help build momentum and motivation. Finding a supportive community or accountability partner can provide an added boost of motivation and help us stay on track. By focusing on making progress rather than perfection, we can overcome self-doubt and stay motivated to achieve our goals. To stay motivated, it's essential to celebrate our wins, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing our achievements can help build confidence and reinforce positive behaviors. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, such as inspiring books or podcasts, can also help shift our mindset and stay motivated. By embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, we can develop a growth mindset and stay motivated to learn and improve. The most powerful success secret is to focus on the process, not just the outcome. When we focus on the daily habits and actions that lead to our goals, we can build momentum and make progress even when the outcome is uncertain. This mindset shift can help us stay motivated and engaged, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. By focusing on what we can control rather than the end result, we can reduce stress and anxiety and stay motivated to achieve our goals. For instance, instead of focusing on losing a certain amount of weight, we can focus on building healthy habits, such as exercising regularly and eating nutritious food. By implementing this secret, we can transform our approach to motivation and achievement. We can start to see progress and growth, even when the outcome is not yet visible. This mindset shift can help us stay motivated and engaged, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. By focusing on the process, we can build resilience and perseverance, and stay motivated to achieve our goals. By applying this secret, we can overcome self-doubt, and stay motivated to pursue our passions and interests. In conclusion, implementing these success secrets can lead to lasting success and motivation. By focusing on the process, building positive habits, and surrounding ourselves with supportive influences, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Don't forget to like and comment with your own success secrets, and subscribe for more motivational content to help you achieve your goals. For more information about finding freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you. Have a great day.